As humans, we strive to connect with one another. We gather as friends to share experiences and make memories. We travel to awe-inspiring places to find inspiration. No matter what we're doing, we're always documenting and sharing those experiences. It's in our nature. Whether it's on social media or with friends in person, you now have the opportunity to capture aerial shots and share like never before. Introducing Breeze, the flying camera designed with you in mind. Both convenient and compact, Breeze is controlled by your iOS or Android device with the Breeze Cam app and weighs just under 1 pound. Capture aerial photos and video of your daily adventures effortlessly and do it in stunning 4K ultra high definition. Simply take Breeze out of the box and let it fly. Use one of the flying camera's 5 automated flight modes to capture unique shots. Use selfie and orbit modes to take dramatic aerial group photos and video, or use follow me mode to grab compelling aerial footage of your action sports adventures. The shots that previously would have required a skilled pilot are now accessible with the click of a button. Live in the moment and let Breeze do the work. Once you've captured photos and videos with Breeze, download and share them via your favorite social media quickly and easily. You can write a personalized message and share instantly, all without leaving the app interface. It's that simple. At Unique, we value your safety. Safety is a top priority in the design of every product we make, including Breeze. Breeze has optical flow and infrared positioning sensors that allow it to hold its position both indoors and outdoors, making it safe for any occasion. You can fly with ease knowing that Breeze won't drift, no matter your environment. Additionally, there is an auto landing and auto return to home feature. No flight experience is necessary. Whether you're adventuring with friends, out solo, or spending time with family, capturing the moments worth remembering are easier than ever. With endless possibilities, what will you capture?
Traverse landscapes and experience a visual shock beyond imagination. HS720 eye-catching debut. The 2K video camera with shock absorption can tilt 90 degrees down to take bird's eye view shots. Optical flow adapts to various ground textures for stable hovering indoors. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for the highest aerodynamic efficiency. Built-in metallurgical gear shaft for smooth movements. Ultra-high-grade steel precision material used to create the high-quality fuselage. A military-grade battery that is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. HS720 has been redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful landscapes are everywhere. To capture this beauty, you need to find the best perspective. The HS720 helps you achieve this with ease. GPS Gloneless Dual Mode Positioning System achieves fast, accurate, and stable positioning. Real-time video transmission for a totally immersive experience. Awaken your desire for flight. See things from the air that are not possible from ground photography. Enjoy unprecedented sensory experience. With just one click, one can engage orbit mode and capture yourself with your surroundings. Each expedition can be played back perfectly. For the future, it's easy to plan. Automatically fly along the path you set. The HS720 will follow you like your shadow. Easily get professional images every time. Intelligent control program makes beginners get started effortlessly. Share your videos and pictures with one click. RTH function will bring the HS720 back to you every time. Get yours today with the HS720.